Welcome to the SIlliman Family Aquatic Center Pool Technician Training Series. Today we're going to learn how to backwash a one filter tank. So in our case, today we're going to talk about how to backwash our lap pool. Alright, so you're probably asking yourself, okay, when should I be backwashing the lap pool? The first reason has to do with the chemical readings that we're getting, both with chlorine and pH. So say for example that you're getting a high chlorine reading, you can backwash the pool, and what happens when you do so is you lower the chlorine level. So you can backwash when you're getting a high chlorine reading. You can also backwash the pool when you're getting a low pH reading, because remember, as we mentioned in the backwashing the spa training video, the makeup water that we have at the pool is high in pH. So if you have a low pH reading, you can help increase the pH by backwashing. There's two other reasons. So what you might find, especially in the summer when we're extremely busy, let's say it's a nice hot summer day and we have a ton of people in the pool, you may notice that the water tends to flow over onto the deck. We can help this problem by backwashing the pool. Another thing that you should be doing on a daily basis is check the influent and effluent PSI differential on the filter. So this is something, again, we should be checking and recording every day on our daily log. But if the differential, so the difference between the two numbers that you see, are more than 8, you should be backwashing the filter tanks. We want to limit the amount of pressure in the tank. So again, anything above 8, this is a reason why you would backwash the lap pool. So Gilly's going to show us how to do this. He has his handy dandy direction sheet. So the first thing he does is he goes to the lap pool controller, hits menu, hits number 7 for VFD turn down, number 1 for backwash, and number 1 again to start the backwash. Next thing he's going to do is, in order to turn off all the chemical feeds and the heater, he's going to turn the 2 blue flow valves to the right to shut off those feeds. So the next step is going to take place over by the filter. However, you do need to wait 5 minutes for the heater to cool. So set a timer either on your phone or your watch, and then we can proceed to the next step. So after the heater is cool, we go to the filter and we turn the filter pump on by twisting the knob all the way to the left. We want to make sure that the filter is pressurized, so we want to check the little pressure dial and make sure that it's above 35 psi. Generally, we want to make sure that it's in the green area. The next step is we turn the home dial from home to number 1. You're going to feel it click in place, and then this is going to start your backwash cycle for the first filter. So as you can see, there's water dumping into the discharge pit. You're going to do that for 3 to 4 minutes. Next thing you'll do in order to stop your backwash is you're going to turn the dial all the way from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, etc., all the way back to home. You're going to wait for the water to slow down. So you're going to look at the discharge pit. So this is going to end your backwash cycle. Again, we backwash the lap pool for about 3 to 4 minutes. The water is going to come down to a trickle. And then what you'll do is you're going to go back to the blue filter pump and turn the pump off. So it's coming down to a trickle. Going to go to our filter pump and turn the dial back to home. Alright, so we're going to make our way back over to the controller to turn all our feeds on. I'm going to say hi to our friends really quick. So we're going to go back to the controller, turn both our heater back on and our chemical feed. So what we need to do is we're going to open the 2 blue valves right below the controller. And we want to make sure our flow is restored. So right now we're seeing that there's, let's see, 2 minutes and 55 seconds until flow is restored. You're going to wait there until everything is resumed and there's flow. Last thing you'll do is you need to bleed out the filter tank. So you're going to open up the sample valve up on the filter, wait until it spurts out water, and of course, you're going to document that you did this. Again, if you don't document, it never happened, so we need to make sure that all our records are accurate and we're logging everything accordingly. And that is it for backwashing the lap pool. If you have any questions, again, ask a fellow senior lifeguard, a fellow pool technician, ask your aquatic coordinator. One team, one dream. We're here to help you out. So please ask questions if you have any.